Question number 1. What is the doctor of children's called? Correct answer. Pediatrician. Question number 2. Which organ is responsible for pumping blood throughout the body? Correct answer. Heart. Question number 3. What is the medical term for high blood pressure? Correct answer. Hypertension. Question number 4. Which vitamin is essential for strong bones and teeth? Correct answer. Vitamin D. Question number 5. What is the common name for the medical condition influenza? Correct answer. Flu.